Hello and welcome to CryptoBuilder.com. Let's reach financial wealth together. This is how it works. CryptoBuilder.com has three matrices, three levels. You'll see tortoise, ambitious, and liftoff. Each matrix is one separate by its own. We're going to go by one matrix at a time. When you reach level 5 in the tortoise matrix, which is up here, level 5, you're going to automatically get a new position in the ambitious matrix worth $100, which you see right here. Level 5, and you can see right here, automatic position purchase for this particular matrix, okay? When you reach level 6 in the tortoise matrix, you get a new position in the liftoff matrix worth $500, which is this blue right here. When you reach level 6 in the ambitious matrix, you get a new position in the liftoff matrix worth $500, which you can see right here. Purchased new position in this matrix. All right. After you've received a position or positions in the tortoise matrix, you are welcome to buy 10 positions at a time with a maximum positions per day in the ambitious matrix and the liftoff matrix. All right. You have maximum purchases in there. And as you can see, we're going to go through each level one by one. So let's go look at the tortoise matrix up close. Here's the tortoise matrix. Everybody starts with a donation and comes in and gives a donation of $20 in Bitcoin. All right, $20 in Bitcoin to get into the system. Once you're in the system, what you do is you invite two people to do the same thing that you just did. They're going to give you or donate to you two $20 payments worth of Bitcoin. That'll give you $40. That $40 worth of Bitcoin is the upgrade fee to get you into level number 2. Level number 1 here has no profit, as you see. Level number 2, you need 4 people that will be donating that $40 to get the $160. The first that comes off is the upgrade that you'll see here. Upgrade fee for $80 to get you to the next level. You'll have a profit of $60 minus the one that you have for a new purchase. That'll leave you $80 right there for the upgrade. Next one is level 3. 8 people will be sending you the $80. All right, the $80, 80 times 8 is $640. The first thing that will come out is the upgrade fee for you to get to the next level, which is level 4. So they'll take $260 out of there automatically. They also will take automatically 4 new positions. 4 times 20 is 80, right? They're going to take 4 positions to get you into level matrix again. Rinse and repeat. Level 4, 16 people will be sending you a total of $260. That's $4,160 in value worth of Bitcoin. That's the upgrade fee will come off first, which is $1,040, which will put you into level 5, where 32 people will be sending you that amount. The amount that you have that's the $1,140. What's profit is $2,800 because there will be 16 purchases for new positions in the tortoise matrix. Down here, you can see level 5 is hit. When level 5 is filled, the first thing that's going to come out is the upgrade to the next position. Also, it's going to do what you need to purchase more positions in the tortoise matrix. It'll be a total of 59 positions. That's a value of $1,180. At that point also, level 5, at that point you will be purchased automatically a $100 position into the next matrix system, which is the ambitious system. All right, the ambitious one. But when we get down here to level 6, you'll see 64 people will be sending you that $3,000, which is $192,000 worth of Bitcoin. And all you got to do is you're going to move up to that, and you will have $186,800 worth of Bitcoin and purchase 230 more positions in the tortoise matrix and do it all over again. And then you'll move on to, with that $100, you go right to the ambitious matrix and do it all again. And you invite two that come in with $100, which is automated, and those two will follow you two, and it all pays out when it gets down to the bottom here. Each matrix is a matrix of its own, and each matrix you may come in and come back in, all right? But it starts out with, of course, the tortoise matrix. Here, the main matrix is all of this. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's relatively easy to follow. You get your two, they get their two, they get their two, they get their two, they get their two. And if you help people that are on your team get their two, they get their two, it will happen even much faster. So there it is, how it works. It's simple, it's fast, and it's really easy to build a great team with Crypto Builder. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you at the top.